Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Shaiman, the coordinator for the subject of BE3133 Electrical Power System, your favorite subject. So today, this is the short video for briefing for the change of assessment portion. Okay, change of assessment portions for our subject Electrical Power System. Basically, this is the reflection from the result that we just obtained several days before about the midterm test. So I have went through the discussion between other two lecturers, Dr. Razan and Sir Rizwan. So we finally achieved one solution. So I hope we can give a lot of focus for this video, just a very short video. And if you have any question, you can ask your section lecturer. Okay, all right. So basically, this is the assessment portion that we have set in the beginning, from the beginning of the semester. So basically, the left one is the current setting, the right one is the modified setting. The modified setting means the new one. Okay, the new one. So basically, for our midterm test that you have went through just last Saturday, so it covers until 30%. So that one for the midterm test. Okay, and then for the quiz, 10%. Okay, 10%. But we have done the quiz 1 and the quiz 2 already. Okay, which each of these quiz covers around 2.5%, and multiply before we get 10%. Okay, this is the current setting. So what about the modified one, which is the new one? Finally, we have jumped into conclusion that we are going to drop the portion of 30% to the 20% only for the midterm test. Hooray! Okay. I know because midterm test, the key in, yeah, some students raise some question about that, some queries to me. But like I told you, I have give the briefing already. I think more than one week. So we've agreed that the midterm test will be the key in type or the fill in blanks. So even though you have I give you the alternative link for the for PDF upload. Okay, PDF upload submission, but that's just the backup in case you have problem with trouble, internet problem, okay, internet connection. So that's the backup plan. But basically, the main marking grading system is based on the column. Even though you get all correct, 50/50 in your PDF, but you didn't enter in the column system, which is the fill in the blank one. So there's no, for me, it's not fair for your other friends that struggle only to key in all that things, even though they get half, but they've tried to key in and follow the rules of the midterm test. So I hope you can understand. And from there, so that's why we consider to drop the midterm test from 30% to 20%. Plus, okay, what about the other 10%? Means then we lost 10%. So that 10% will be embedded to the quiz one. Okay? So this is the gift, not the gift lah. So this is the advantage this semester. So from 10% of the quiz never happened in the history. So we are going to increase it 20%, but we are going to embed it, we are going to multiply it from 2.5% for each quiz to become 5%. It means that we have done already the quiz 1 and quiz 2. Means that for those who got score 10/10, mean 100% for both quiz, then they get already the 10%. Okay, they already get 10%. So the rest of the 10% will be on the quiz 3 and the quiz 4. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, this is about midterm test and quiz. What next? So group assignment still remain the same. So group assignment 10%. Okay, group assignment is 10%. Then I will give you the Google form after this, so you can select your own group members. Okay, so each group I assume 3 to 4 members. Well, 4 members is the maximum one. Okay, and the lab report submission is only one lab report per group. Okay, one lab report per group, only one. So we have four brothers or 4 sisters. Then you can submit. You only have to submit one lab report only for the assignment. Okay, sorry, this is not a lab report. This is an assignment report. Okay, then of course turn-in similarity 30%. This one during the submission, so I will give the turn-in ID and also the passcode. So, but the release, my expectation is to release within this week. Okay, this week, I hope this week will be released week 9. And the submission deadline week 12, which is you have around 9, 10, 11, 12. So almost 4 weeks for your assignment. I hope it gives you plenty of time, sufficient time for you to complete your assignment. Okay. Another one is group laboratory. Okay, group laboratory is the lab. So the lab also we are going to do in the lab session in the group, 3 to 4 members per group, which is you can use the same group as the assignment one. So it covers only 10%. Then like I told you before, the lab report will be individual. Okay, will be individual, which is one lab report per student. Though you are doing it in the group for this lab, but still the lab report submission is per student, which is the individual. And also same, I'm going to give you the similarity passcode and also ID. So this is the current setting. So what is the modified setting? So this is what I call tolerate. Okay, this is what we call tolerance. Okay, the difference is here. Okay, difference here. Due to this kind of, COVID-19 pandemic, so on, difficult, test is very difficult, I cannot enter something like that. So we just consider for the lab report also, lab report per group. So one submission only per group. So what do you want? What else you want? Okay, we give discount. Give discount from one lab report per student to the one lab report per group. So but similarity is still the same, and the release date also will be the same as the assignment. So means you're going to have the 2 assessment in one time. But if you finish one, then finish one, because it's all in the group teamwork. So I believe you can finish it within the week 12. Though we have 2 assessment here. Okay, we have 2 means that we have the assignment. Okay, we have the assignment that need to be submitted on week 12, and also we have the group lab report that will be submitted also in the week 12 and will be released also within this week. That's my target. Okay, right, finish assignment, quiz, midterm test. Okay, final exam. Okay, final exam. Oh, sorry, I forgot to hide the individual assignment. It comes after my click, but it's okay. Okay, basically the final exam originally is 40%. After we observe what has happened, actually from last semester and also this midterm test by using through online, looks like to be honest, there will be a difficulty. Okay, difficulty for you, okay, to do the final exam in online. Okay, it looks like difficult. That's why we've discussed. Then we decide to reduce it to 20% only. Okay, 20%. Means that from 40% it becomes 20% from your final exam, and that final exam will be totally online. But this time the final exam, the marking system, okay, the marking method will not be the same as the midterm test, that key in one. Okay, this time, so we will mark your PDF. Okay, you need to upload your PDF, the working solution, your solution in the PDF in A4. You upload it, then we will check one by one. So each words we're going to check step by step. Okay, so don't worry, we're not going the system like the midterm test. We are going to mark it one by one. Okay, then because we have lost already the 20%, that's why we need to replace the 20%. Okay, so this is the new assessment that we introduce here, which is it will cover 20%. Mean there's another one, individual assignment. Okay, for this assignment, because the final exam basically is done by you, by only one person. It's not group. The final exam cannot be in group. So that's why they must be done by one person. So that's why we need to replace with the other alternative assessment, which is I introduced it, is the individual part of the assignment. But maybe in the system I will write the group assignment as assignment 1. The individual assignment is the assignment 2. Okay, so what is the assignment, this assignment? Okay, so the concept is midterm test concept. Or wait, don't be panic. Just the concept of midterm test concept means you are going to fill in the blanks. I know you hate it, but the difference here is what? Okay, I jump to here. The release date, after you finish your laboratory and assignment, I don't want to clash with, I don't want you to clash with other assignment and lab. So after you submit all your assignment and lab, then we're going to start with the individual assignment. This assignment that I will release on week 12, and the submission deadline is week 14. Means that there will be another test, is just like the midterm test, but I give you 2 weeks to finish it. Okay, 2 weeks to finish it means all the key in stuff, fill in the blank, something like that, so will be need to be done within 2 weeks, not the 2 hours like the midterm test. Okay, so I believe you have a sufficient time for that. Okay, it's totally maybe the concept just like the midterm test concept, like before, fill in the blanks, plus the additional part is here lah, only this. Okay, only this. So report submission format with cover page, introduction, showing all working calculation. Okay, means that you need to do two, but it's the same thing you do, like the midterm test. When you do the midterm test, for those who haven't submit anything in the fill in the blanks midterm test, you are doing it in A4, right? A4, you write everything, and then you write all the solution, and then you plan to scan it and upload, right? It's the same concept, but this time I want you to do like a normal report, normal assignment report. There must be a cover page, there should be some introduction, and then you showing all the working calculation, but in the word version lah, not your handwriting lah, please. It means that you need to upload first, you need to finish within 2 weeks, the fill in the blanks, the question looks like the midterm test, plus and I will give you the link, or maybe in the column itself, so you will upload your report. Okay, your report format of your assignment, this assignment. Okay, means you showing all the working calculation in the cantik way lah, I mean the proper way, with the line, everything, font, good font, something like that. Okay, just to make it proper assignment report. Okay, but the concept is just like the midterm test, but this time I give you 2 weeks, not 2 hours. Okay, so I hope that's the only setting, I mean the new setting for the assessment. So I repeat, midterm test will be reduced from 30% to 20%, so the remaining 10% will be embedded on the quiz. The quiz will not increase, it's just 4 quiz. Even we have done 2 quizzes, so I will normalize it. Okay, so that it becomes totally in 20%. Okay, so mean your quiz will increase from 10% to 20%. Then assignment 1 group assignment remains as it is. The lab one, the different, this time the report submission is by group. Okay, then the final exam will be reduced from 40% to 20%, and finally the individual assignment, the new assignment 1, will become 20%. Okay, to replace the another loss from final exam that we reduce the 20% portion. Okay, so that's all. Okay, if you have any question, you can buzz your section lecturer. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you.